All right, I'm on my pickup. This is part of the property tour part 2, 4 years later. This is the driveway approaching up to my house. As you can see, I got carport, greenhouse in back, really good southeast exposure, really good drainage being up on a ridge. You can see my wife's horses and stuff, and my mom's horses in there too. You can see the layer chicken house for the winter and back there. And yeah, I eventually want to get a couple more different fruit trees and fruit bushes planted around. I actually bought $600 worth this spring already. It's on order. I already, as I pointed out, I still got those cherry trees and plum trees. Those chestnuts are all planted up on the ridge there. Not many survived. There's about 5 left, but they're doing okay. I've actually also, since that video, original property tour video, I've planted a couple, even randomly around different juggalones and stuff, and like meaning walnuts and everything, and some of them were hybrids and stuff. One that I planted down in the old pond that I filled in because it was not winter hardy, the previous owners, is doing really good, and I'd like to see that. So yeah, you're looking at my property when I was coming across off the main road there. That's the northeasternmost corner. Like, that's the corner of the property there. That fence is the fence line. So yeah, this is part 2 of the property tour. Thanks. Bye.